Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone is having a great day today. Here in Northwest Georgia, the temperatures are sort of cool this morning, and we got a lot of clouds. We're supposed to get rain pretty much all day long today, but as of right now, it has not started raining.
Yeah, I have some errands that I have to do today, and so we're going to take y'all along with us if y'all so choose to go with us. And also, we're going to have lunch today, and y'all can go along with us for that also. And so today, I'm thinking about trying to find me some dress pants. I have a lot of casual pants, but I don't have any dress pants. So I'm looking for some dress pants today, and I'm thinking I'm going to go to the mall and go to Belt Roads. So y'all just come along and go with us. And we're also going to go out to eat today, aren't we, Calvin?
I was thinking that we might eat while we're at the mall. They have a Chick-fil-A there. How about if we eat at Chick-fil-A today?
That'll be fine with me.
Chick-fil-A has got a couple of gluten-free options, and I'm going to give them a try. And I know you love their sandwiches at Chick-fil-A.
Yes, Calvin's trying to get me to come along on board with him with the gluten-free issues that he's having. Some of our viewers had said that it could possibly even help my arthritis that I have, but I'm a little slow about it yet. I'll probably come aboard, but right now, no.
Okay.
But I know I need to.
Okay, well, if you're ready to go, we'll go ahead and head that way. I am going to turn the camera around and show you a little bit of our driving while we're on the way up there. And we'll see you when we get to the mall. We're going to the one that's called Mount Berry Mall. And it's most of the stores have closed in the mall, but it's still there.
Yeah, there's a lot throughout the nation that are like that now.
Yes. Okay, y'all come go with us.
I like this one. And this is a Kim Rogers too. So I'm getting that one. And this one also. It's also Kim Rogers. They're on sale for $12.99 and they're regular $32.50. Whoops. And these are Kim Rogers pants, and they're $54.50, but they're 40% off. So I'm getting 3 pair of these dress slacks. I'm getting some dress clothes for church.
We're in the food court room. We're going to eat at Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
You could get something gluten-free from there if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Do you?
No.
Get the next person. Chick-fil-A sandwich, deluxe with no cheese, a large fry, a large Coke Zero, 8-count nuggets, grilled nuggets, and a large Coke Zero. Any sauces?
Yeah, barbecue.
Barbecue?
She threw me off when she says fries instead of waffle fries.
It's going to be 21.15. Can I get a name?
Calvin.
Whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Golden. Okay, I've got the grilled chicken nuggets, and Marie and I, we're going to share the waffle fries. And Marie, you got a chicken deluxe sandwich.
I did.
Boy, that looks great. Chick-fil-A always have great looking sandwiches, don't they?
They do.
And then we both got a large Coke Zero.
My sandwich is delicious. Calvin, how's your
Chicken nuggets are very delicious. They're very hot. You have to wait a couple of minutes for them to cool down. So, anyway, I'm enjoying mine. This is really a good meal. I've been on gluten-free not that long.
Well, Calvin's trying to convince me that eating gluten-free is not that bad.
Show a close-up of your sandwich. How do you like that?
I like it a lot better than that, but I know that's good for you.
This is good for me. I can eat this, and I won't be hurting in about 30 minutes from now.
Yeah.
If I ate that, I'd be hurting in 30 minutes.
Right. Also, some of the viewers said that even if I wasn't gluten intolerant, that if I ate gluten-free, that my arthritis would be better.
Yeah.
That is something to consider,
Yeah, I've heard that before.
but I'm just not considering it right now.
And these waffle fries are real good. They're actually better than they usually are.
Yeah.
So I'm enjoying this meal.
Okay, we just finished our delicious meal, and we're going to walk around the mall for a little bit, and we'll film just a little bit while we're in here. And when we get through, we're going to go to a Dollar Tree that's just right down the road from the mall, and y'all come along and go with us.
really dark on this side.
I know it. Much. Oh. You might could have.
There's Amy Lemons pretzels.
I think you said Amy's pretzels. I think it's Annie's.
Yeah.
We'll just go a little bit, you know, because
Seems like there's not very much down that direction. There's not very much down that direction. So we will go down this direction just a little piece. The mall has really changed since last time we was up here hanging around.
yeah, I used to come up here at Christmas time and it would be so crowded and bustling with people. And then every week I'd bring the grandkids up here, and there was a little arcade room and they loved playing it. And we went to the Dollar Tree. At one time we had a Dollar Tree in here.
And actually, there's the I don't know how you say
Aeropostale.
Anyway, that store, and there's really not any other stores down here, right?
There's Belks is down there. We just came from there.
From Belks.
Okay.
There's really not that much on here. You got the Diamond World store here on the corner.
Yeah, there used to be a Cato's at the end that way, but I'm not walking that far.
Yeah, there's Cato's down here to the left. And then Dunham Sports is all the way in the far end.
Uh-huh.
And I think that's where Sears used to be.
Yeah, I think we better just go back to the car.
Okay, we'll just head on back to the car and we'll talk to you when we get to the car. Okay, everyone, we're back in the car now, and we really enjoyed our trip inside the mall today. And Marie was able to get some things that she wanted from Belks. That she specifically wanted some new pants that she could wear to church. And then we enjoyed a good meal while we was in there at Chick-fil-A. And this was not one of our budget combo value meals, but it was a very good meal, and I was able to get something that's gluten-free, so I was very satisfied with that. We almost couldn't make it back to the car. Marie's hip started bothering her so bad.
Yeah.
So we're going to sit here in the car for maybe 15 minutes or so and let her rest, and then we're going to try to go into the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
But I'll let Marie tell you about what we did buy while we was in the mall there.
Okay, our meal, it came to, our Chick-fil-A meal, it came to $21.15, and that's pretty good for me, for two people to eat. And Calvin was able to get, like he said, a gluten-free meal.
And you know, it filled me up too. I'm satisfied.
Yes, I need to learn. Like I said, I need to learn to eat like Calvin and some of our viewers. I'm trying to. Sometimes I'm trying, but maybe not too hard. I don't want to joke about it. I really realize though that if I did eat a little bit better, I probably wouldn't have these problems that I have. Anyway, so today at Belt Roads, I saved Calvin a little bit of money. My total was $149.88, but if I had to pay the full price, I would have had to pay $125.93 more.
So you saved quite a bit, Marie.
I did.
You got a total of 3 pants and 3 tops, didn't you?
Yes, and they were Kim Rogers. They're made good.
Yeah, Marie's
So-
always loved the Kim Rogers brand of clothes.
Yes.
Okay, Marie, why don't we just sit here and rest for a few minutes, and then we'll go over to Dollar Tree.
Okay. Sounds good to me. I need a storage container to put some of my cards in. My other thing is overflowing. I'm going to get these coat hangers, and this is really all I needed today. Calvin got his sister a birthday card. Okay, we just came out of the Dollar Tree, and it was a little rough walking around in there also, but I made it through. And I only spent $7.22 in there today, and I got, y'all seen what I got? I got some coat hangers I was needing, and then also I needed something to put some of my cards in that y'all sent me, and then Calvin needed a birthday card for his sister. And so we got everything that we needed, and we didn't really look around in the whole dollar store because we've already been gone for quite a while, so we're anxious to get home. And so I guess we're going to close our video out now. Hope y'all enjoyed coming along with us today. Calvin, did you have anything you wanted to add?
The only thing I want to say is one of our microphones, the battery went dead. It's the one I'm wearing here, but Marie's is still working, so I don't know when it went dead, but hopefully you was able to hear everything we said today.
Yeah, so I guess now then we're going to close our video out on this overcast, cloudy day which is actually starting to drizzle. And our area actually needs some rain, especially where we live at. It's just kind of been squirting around us. I think we did get a little drizzle this week, but that was about all. But anyway, so I'm going to close out our video. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love